It's cold outside, but the fire keeps...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas, the not so daily Vlogmas. So I gotta admit, daily vlogging, I do not know how people do it. It's funny because one time I was talking to my aunt, she was talking to her friend, or telling me how she was talking to her friend, and her friend, you know, was asking her how things were going, and my aunt was like, I am so busy. And her friend was like, doing what? She's like, I don't know. And I feel that way right now. I feel so busy, but at the same time, have no idea why I'm so busy. Anyway, I thought I would start out this vlog by doing an Amazon haul because I need to put the stuff away. And you guys know I made an Amazon storefront. When I did that, I did place a big order. So I'm gonna share all of that stuff with you guys. I haven't put all of this stuff in the storefront, but I will. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this bag. It's like, I think it's a designer knockoff. I can't remember, but I thought that this would be really pretty for either like a date night or even like a makeup bag or like a travel bag to put some of your toiletries in. I've seen that, but I would probably use it as like a little date night handbag. I thought this was so cute. This is the large size. It comes in a small size as well. I bought more of those Amazon leggings, the Lululemon dupes. I am obsessed. So I got another pair of black. I have gray as well, but I think they're in the wash. I got this wine color, and I got this like nude color. These might go back because I mean this is a little risky, if you know what I mean. A couple of you guys were asking if it shows cellulite. Yeah, the lighter colors do show cellulite, but I'm not really bothered by that. I mean, I'm a woman with curves. I'm gonna have some cellulite, you know what I mean? Doesn't faze me a bit. I bought this Apothecary pillow spray. So it's like a lavender pillow spray. Zach loves when I put lavender in the oil diffuser. So I thought I'm gonna get him a pillow spray. So I got this. I should have put this in his stocking, but he already knows about it. And this thing really intrigued me. This is basically like a blackhead scrubber. And you know, like so I get like little bumps right here. It's basically like an exfoliator is really what it is. So basically you just like open it up, it's like that, and you just kind of rub it where you might have blackheads or maybe your skin feels a little bit bumpy. It actually really works and I really do like it. I got this retinol cream, and I got this because I was in like a downward spiral. You know when you're like watching YouTube videos and you just watch a lot? Well, I started watching YouTube videos and I was watching this woman, if I can find the video, I'll link it down below, but she was rating Amazon skincare products, and she does skincare, and she liked that cream. So I got that. I'm gonna go out into the world and finish up my Christmas shopping and then go work out. So that's why I'm in my workout stuff. But she also recommended the Hyaluronic Acid serum. I haven't tried this one yet. I'm super excited. And it's kind of cool because the girl who does my facials taught me how to do hyaluronic acid. So I'm gonna start using this. I think it's supposed to help make your face appear a little bit more plump. So we'll see how that goes. So I got that. I bought all the skincare stuff because of that video. Yeah, so there's that. That video also mentioned an ice roller along with my esthetician. She mentioned that I should have a ice roller. So I got this one. We'll see how it does. It's just like all white. It just got in, so I didn't want like the colors, but I got that. I'm gonna pop this in the freezer. And then the last couple of things that I got were, is that it? Oh, I did show you guys over on Instagram these little hair clips. I got these as well. This is the lighter one. It comes with ones that are a little bit darker, but I think they're really sturdy, and I love tortoise shell. I think it's so pretty. But we needed a new lemon press. So I got this one. It's like very organic-y looking. And I saw this at a local boutique, and then I looked on Amazon, and it was on Amazon for like a lot less. So I ordered it through Amazon. It does kind of seem like very like organic, like handmade, but I kind of like that. So I got this, and now I can put that in our kitchen because a lot of this stuff has been sitting here for a couple days. And then, as you guys know, I mentioned that I really want to start getting this apartment super organized. Like I said, it's super small, so anything that's out of place makes me feel like it's super messy in here. So I want to start really organizing. So I got this beautifully organized book, and my friend Diana said she's used some tips out of here. So I'm super excited to kind of start digging through this and see how I can organize my space a little bit better. And then the last item that I got, which is probably my favorite, to be honest, I love the KINKOLK books. So I got KINKOLK Garden. You guys know I have my plants. I got my plant babies in here, and I always take the cover off because I like more of that like organic look. So I got the KINKOLK Garden book, and it's just so beautiful. Gosh, it's so good. KINKOLK, they know their stuff. I have KINKOLK Table, KINKOLK Home. I have like almost all of them. There's a couple that I need to get and add to my collection. But I wanted to share those Amazon items with you guys. Like I said, I just started my Amazon storefront, so I placed this order when I was doing that, and not all of these items are on there, but I will link them all down below, and I will add them to the storefront. But super pumped about all the things that I purchased. And yeah, if there's one thing I recommend, it's either the KINKOLK book or these leggings. These leggings I'm really shocked by because I really love my Lululemons. I really, really do. I did want to let you guys know that we do plan on, Zach and I are sitting down tonight kind of planning out next year and taking YouTube a lot more seriously. A lot of you guys are really enjoying the vlogs, and we thought, you know what, let's really like let's really like do them every week. And we can't do every day, clearly. We are just not there yet. But we love connecting with you guys. I mean, this has just been so fun and amazing. Like I said, every day is just not for us right now, but we do plan on doing a couple vlogs a week. So that is our plan. We just want to be able to come up with like more like fun things to share with you guys, like actually have things to share with you guys. And a lot of the times we weren't doing anything, and then we would think, oh, we'll vlog when like we were making dinner, and then, oh, do we just vlog a dinner? So that was kind of our struggle. But we like to bring you guys like actual content, like a cocktail or something that you guys can like gain some value from. So I mean, unless you guys are like, no, we really don't care to show us, but I don't know, that's just kind of like what our thoughts were. And yeah, the day after Christmas, I am taking down the Christmas trees. I am getting organized and cleaning up this space so that I can really start pumping out more home content for you guys. Like I said, there's like some changes that I want to do throughout the apartment that I'm going to be sharing. Also, I am going to be doing our little Christmas tablescape for you guys. It'll probably just be in the vlog, honestly, but I gotta go to Target and I gotta get a couple things and go get some flowers and stuff, but I will be doing that. So you'll see that Zach and I are having our Christmas dinner ourselves, and we're doing like very non-traditional. I think we're gonna do filet mignon. Fun fact, I mentioned this before if you guys don't know, Zach is like an incredible cook. So we're gonna do filet mignon instead of like, I don't know, what do you do for Christmas? Turkey, ham, prime rib. We're not gonna do any of that. We're gonna do like our own thing, you know? It's just Zach and I. So anyway, that was a lot. I will have all of these Amazon things linked down below for you guys, along with my storefront. And they are now doing yard work. So I'm gonna wrap this up. That's my cue to wrap it up because girl, I am so chatty, but I just like love filling you guys in and talking. I don't know, I talk too much, all right? Oh, also, you guys, Zach, the other day, you see this tree right here, it used to be over there. He did get out the tree. So let me show you the tree. I do have some footage, I may put that in here, but I also chose wrapping that you guys are going to be very surprised about. If you follow me over on Instagram, you would have already seen the wrapping. I have to finish wrapping gifts today, but let me show you guys. Look, he decorated this tree all by himself. And he was like, I want you to fix the ornaments, but I just thought it was the sweetest thing that he did this, and I just couldn't change it. I left it how it is. And then look at my wrapping. You guys, I did red on red. Very Cartier, very luxurious. I'm obsessed. But Zach finally got his tree. You're unreal.
What? It'll be fine. It actually, I think it works perfectly right here.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time.
What do you think, Bran?
I think it's cute. I like how you went with the less is more approach. I just like how you like cluster a couple of them.
Did I? Is that bad? I asked you, is that too close? And you're like, no, it's fine.
Well, I thought you were gonna do
You would have never
more.
done that.
Well, I thought you were gonna do more. I thought you were gonna do all of them, but
Well, I could.
no. I think it's cute. I actually think it's.
I want to see Brandy do it though. Her lights would be better on there. The
Well, I'm
ornaments
more
would
of
be
a
spaced, and
I'm more of a perfectionist, but I like it. Actually, like it makes my heart happy.
oh, whatever.
It is. It's cute that you did it because I do the tree every year,
Yeah.
every single year. Zach will like listen to music with me and he'll be there, but I decorate the tree from start to finish the whole year. Sometimes you'll help me with the lights and stuff, but I just think it's really sweet that you did this tree.
Very cute.
Oh, I am making a lemon. I think they call it a pound cake. Is a pound cake and bundt cake the same? But I meant to, okay, I'm putting you guys on the cake stand. I meant to get on here earlier, and I tell you what, vlogging is so difficult because you don't really realize that you started something and that you need to turn the camera on, but it's fine, we're learning. Oh, you know what, maybe I need to get you guys a little higher. I'm gonna put you guys on the salt. Oh, this is risky, ooh. So what I like to do is try to kind of clean up as I go. And you guys know I showed you that I got this bundt cake pan pretty recently, like maybe a couple weeks ago. I'm putting away the sugar and the flour, doing the dishes as well. That way, when I'm done, I don't have like a huge mess baking. I really do, and I forget how much I love it. Okay, so I have the like lemon zest and the butter and the sugar in here. I gotta make some sweet potatoes tomorrow. I have sour cream. Oh, what is in here? Sour cream, vanilla, and lemon juice in here. I sifted the flour, baking soda, baking powder. Yeah, baking powder. And then I have my pan. And then I showed you guys earlier, I got those new things, but look at how pretty. Like, it's so funny that I just put this in a pot just to keep it, you know, in water, and I actually really kind of like it. Oh, and I have this candle burning. It's Candy Cane and Pine by Iconic Scents. You guys know I'm obsessed with Iconic Scents. But what's crazy is it's not like super Christmassy. It's like a beautiful scent that you could honestly burn all year round, but also like a really nice winter scent. They sent this over and it really helped get me into the Christmas spirit. Like I said, it's not just a Christmas scent. So, I mean, gosh, I don't know what it is about their scents, but they do the most beautiful scents. And I am not just saying that. Like I said, the rose one is like hands down my favorite. Love that, but I just thought I would check in, let you guys know. I'll show you my cake as soon as it's done. I hope it's cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. So cute. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh, it's my first Bundt cake. It's so cute. Now the bottom, I could have like maybe cut it to make it like a little bit flatter, but I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to mess it up. Oh my gosh, this like makes me so happy. You have no idea. So cute. Oh man, the little things in life. You guys, look how freaking cute this is. It's so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning and I just finished my very first Christmas Bundt cake. It's lemon, but it is so cute. Is that not so cute? I'm obsessed. Okay, so I went over the top with the glaze again, and I think that kind of made it a little yikes, but that's all right. It looks so good.
Tomorrow it